Alright. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, Ma'am Leah, and hi, friends. And now we want to presentation about the poverty. Before we start our presentation, we want to introduce our members. And the first, me, Arista Amalia Saada, and the last student number is 05. Salah. Ulangi. Before we start our presentation, we want to introduce our member. And me, Arista Amalia Saada, and the last student numbers 067, and then Michael Happy Susanto, and the last student number is 07676. Okay, and then we want to presentation about the poverty. Poverty is one example of a social problem caused by economic factor. Poverty is a serious social problem faced by the Indonesian government, even though it has been struggling for decades to free itself from poverty. The reality show that until now, Indonesia has not been able to escape from the cycles of the problem poverty. A group of a community members is said to below the poverty line if the income of the group of a community members is not sufficient to meet basic needs such as food, clothing, and shelter. Meanwhile, in Indonesia, one of the best use to determine whether a person is categorized as a poor or not is by referring to the criteria set by the Central Statistic Agency. Poverty is the inability to meet the minimum standards of the basic needs, which include food and non-food needs. The poor are a people who are below a certain limit or the referent to as the poverty line. And then the poverty line is a value of the rupiah that must be spent to meet the necessities of the life, both the minimum food needs and the non-food minimum living needs. Next.
Okay, next is types of poverty. Reporting from the book Poverty Indicators and Misclassification of the Poor 2015 by Ali Komsan and friends. Several types of poverty are described, namely, number one is absolute poverty. Absolute poverty is a type of poverty where poor people have an income level below the poverty line, or the amount of income is not sufficient to meet the basic needs of life, such as food, clothing, and shelter. Number two is relative poverty. Relative poverty is a type of poverty that occurs due to the influence of development policies that have not yet reached the entire community. And number three is cultural poverty. Cultural poverty is a type of poverty caused by cultural factors such as laziness, no effort to improve the level of life, waste, and others. And number four, structural poverty. Structural poverty is poverty experienced by a group of people because the social structure of the community allow the community group not to participate in using source of income that are actually available to them.
Okay, next. Next, we want to describe about the factors that causes of poverty. In the book, Understanding and Measuring Poverty, 2013 by Indra Maipita, It's explained that poverty is caused by two factors. And then the first factors is
The first
Michael?
factor is internal factors. Internal factors are factors that come from within a person, such as an attitude of accepting what is, not being serious in trying, imperfect physical condition, and so on. And number two is external factors. External factors are factors that come from outside a person, such as climate change, natural damage, social life, social structure, unequal government policies and programs, and others.
Okay, maybe that's all our presentation about the poverty. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.